Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now during tea time we all love and enjoy any snack, but today I'm going to show you a wonderful walnut namkeen which is so light and yet very tasty. So let's get started and check out this delicious walnut namkeen. For the walnut namkeen, I've taken 2 cups of walnuts. So I've taken them as a whole. You can break a few of the walnuts into half and you can keep few of them as a whole. Take a nice white pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. First I'm going to roast the walnuts. Add the walnuts to the pan. Walnuts not only add delicious crunch and delicate nutty flavor, but also offer a combination of excellent nutrients. A handful of walnuts makes for a healthy snack and also keeps you full between meals. Roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes. So if you don't want to roast it in ghee, you can just dry roast it, but make sure you roast it for at least about 2 minutes. Remove the walnuts and keep them aside. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. Now add the puffed rice. I have taken 3 cups. Roast the puffed rice just for about a minute. Remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Next, to the pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. Now add half cup of roasted channa dal. Roast them till they've turned to a nice golden color. For the namkeen, it's best to roast each ingredient separately. Roast it for about 2 minutes, remove from the pan and keep it aside. Next, to the pan, add a teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to finally roast the raisins. So I'm just taking 100 grams of these golden raisins. Roast the raisins just for about a minute. Turn off the stove, remove them and keep it aside. So all the ingredients that I have roasted, I've just put everything in one bowl. Finally, to the pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this, I'm going to add 2 large cloves of garlic that have been pounded. The garlic is going to add a lot of flavor to the namkeen. Now this is optional. If you don't want garlic, you can do it without it. Next, add a few curry leaves. Keep the flame on low throughout. Next, add half teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon salt. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste. So keeping the flame on low, just quickly give it a mix. Now I'm going to just transfer all the roasted ingredients into the pan. Roast all the ingredients along with the spice powders till they're all nicely coated. The namkeen is coming together so beautifully. I can actually hear the crunch. Turn off the stove. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of save. And finally finish it off by adding 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You can also add powdered sugar. Again, this sugar is optional. I'm just adding a little sweetness to it just to balance the flavors. So there you go, here is this nice spicy and crunchy walnut namkeen that can be enjoyed anytime and it makes for a perfect snack.